Yes my people, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I've got a banger of a video. You're going to be excited after I show you this video. I'm telling you, if you watch this video all the way to the end, you're going to be rich. And I'm going to show you exactly how you can be that, because all you have to do is copy what I'm doing. Furthermore, you can take this product, because I was going to buy this product myself, but I said, you know what, let me give it to the subscribers, let me give it to my viewers, let me give it to my supporters. Yeah, cool. Now have a look at this, guys. This product here, we're on Qogita, by the way. What we're doing at the moment, guys, we're basically on a wholesaler. This is a wholesale marketplace where loads of wholesalers come on this website and they sell their products to businessmen like me and you who want to buy this product at wholesale at a bulk price, a bulk amount. Yeah, cool. So what we're actually doing, guys, this is called manual sourcing. We're going through every single product one by one, and we're scanning it against Amazon and seeing how much it's actually making. So now this is what I need to tell you guys. When it comes to Amazon, you have to be consistent and persistent, because after I scanned the first 3 rows, no products are profitable. Now most of you idiots will just cancel it and be like, nah, I'm not making enough money, there's no profit, let me leave it, this is dead, Amazon is saturated, Amazon is dead, there's no profit. But you have to keep going, because listen, successful people are successful because they tried one more time than those who didn't try at all. Feel me? Cool. So I kept on going. These are not profitable. 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 And we get to this beauty of a product, Mont Blanc. Yo, I'm excited. Listen. Yeah, now this one's crazy. This is a stupid product. I'm telling you guys, I should be gatekeeping this one, but because I'm so transparent when it comes to teaching you guys how to sell on Amazon, you can thank me later. But just please like, comment, and subscribe. Yeah. So what we're gonna do, guys, we're gonna come here and we're gonna scan it against buybotgo, because buybotgo is the software we use because they're the best software when it comes to profit analysis, product analysis, and competitor analysis. Guys, for you guys only, I'm going to leave you a link in the description. Make sure you get yours now and sign up. Use the link in the description. I make money, you guys save on some money, we're all winning. Yeah, cool. Mont Blanc, this is 100 milliliters. So when we're scanning it against Amazon, we want to see if this product is actually selling on Amazon, and we can see here it's £29.07, but that's excluding VAT. You need to remember that, since we're businessmen and business ladies, when we're buying this product at wholesale, the wholesaler is going to charge sales tax, and that's why we pay VAT. Yeah, so the VAT, the sales tax, or the VAT is always standard rate 20%. So if you want to work out with the VAT, what this product is going to cost you, including VAT, is £29.07 times 20%, or times 1.2. Same thing, yeah. And if we do that, I'm pretty sure it's around £30.88. I had done this earlier. Let's see. Cool. So we see the product here. We've used buybotgo. Big up buybotgo, guys. Remember, link in the description. This software is the best. I've made so much money with this software. It's crazy. So we're on buybotgo now, and we're looking for the exact same product. That's not it. That's not it. That's not it. That's not it. Here, yes, it is. Mont Blanc. Yeah. But we also need to make sure it's 100 milliliters. So let's press it and let's see. Just to make sure it's 100 milliliters before we get too excited. Yep, we can see here it's 100 milliliters. Boom. Easy. We're winning, guys. Yeah. We're loving it. Cool. We go back to our calculator and let's just digest it for fun. Let's digest how much riches we're gonna make today. I'm so excited. I'm pumped up, guys. Cool. So including VAT for this product, if you wanted to buy this product now, including VAT, it's £34.88. Oh yeah, and one more thing, you get free shipping on this website on some suppliers. I've already checked, this one is free shipping because they're a UK-based supplier. And you probably have to spend like £300, £400. They have a £500 minimum order average value, something like that. Spend £500, you get free shipping. Boom. So we're already going to spend more than £500 because this product is like bang up. But guys, let me get to it. Let me stop talking. So we're buying this for £34.88. Yeah, that's including VAT, and we're selling it for £65.60. If we analyze it and actually see if it's going to be profitable, we can come here and we can see, cool, instantly we can already see we can't sell this product because we're gated. But since I'm buying it from a wholesaler, I can use the invoice I get from this wholesaler, from Qogita, which is the wholesaler. I can send this invoice to Amazon and they're going to just let me sell this product because I'm buying more than 10 units, and I'm probably going to buy 100 of these units or 1,000, depending on how profitable it is. Yeah, now let's check, guys. And the best thing about buybotgo as well, guys, you can also auto-ungate. You can automatically ungate it, especially if you've got a selling history, which is very good, yeah? But we're not going to do that ungating stuff now. What I want to show you guys is here, the profit. So we can see instantly we're making £17.50 and pennies Yeah, per unit. This is crazy. And then we have a return on investment of 50% and 20, so it's 50%, 50.2, let's just say 50.2 to be precise. Guys, now listen, from August the 1st, you guys are going to have to pay VAT on fees. Remember what VAT was? VAT was 20%. So we can see our fees here is £13.20. However, that's excluding the VAT on fees, because that's going to be coming on from August the 1st. So if we wanted to work it out, we know we have to just find out what 20% of £13.20 is and just add it, yeah? So if we did £13.20, 10% of that is £1.32, times that by 2 is £2.64. So £13.21 plus £2.64, you're looking at about £15.85. That's how much we're paying on total fees, guys. £15, yeah? So that's the total fee. So let's just say the profit is not £17.50, the profit is actually £15. I hope you're with me, guys, because remember, you have to pay 20% on your fees. This is coming from August the 1st. Right now, it's not included in my calculations, but from August the 1st, you have to pay 20% on fees. That's why I've times this total cost, which is the fee, times 1.2, which is the, you know what I'm saying, from August the 1st. Boom. So we're making £15 per unit. Okay, now let's see, before we get too excited, because this may be a banger, guys, but if it's not selling, there's no point buying it. You feel me? So what we're going to do, we're going to scroll down. We're going to look at the estimated sales calculator, and as we can see, it's 912. Crazy, huh? 912 times this product is selling. However, as you can see, Amazon is on the listing. Most people will tell you do not sell the same product as Amazon. However, if you can compete with them, you might as well, because let me tell you something. If I just tell myself, no, I'm not going to sell it because Amazon's selling it, they're probably going to hog the buy box. True, they most likely will. However, you have to also use a free pricer, something that can adjust your price accordingly, so you can always be winning the buy box. So I'm definitely going to sell this product, because the only competition is going to be Amazon. That means there's only 2 other sellers. So if we were to say, out of this whole listing, there's 2 sellers, me and Amazon, we're going to get, Amazon's going to get 50% of their orders. I'm going to get 50% of the orders as well. So let's just say I'm making 456 units. I'm selling 456 units of this product, because the other half is going to Amazon. Yeah, so remember what we said, guys. We're making £15 per unit. Let's just do the maths here quickly. We're making £15 per unit times 452 units. That's how much we'll sell in a month. That's £6,780. Yo, you lot, are you fucking seeing this shit? This is nuts. £6,780. One product, my people. One fucking product. Yuck. Yuck. How greedy. Nah, that is crazy. Jesus. Cool. So that's £6,780. One product, guys. So I've shown you exactly how to find that. I've shown you from one product you can make £6,780. Yeah. So what you have to do, you have to keep on going, guys. This product might not be profitable. So what does that mean? That's not going to deter us from keep on trying. We're going to keep on going. Cool. We're buying it for 28. We're selling it here for £42. But remember, this is excluding VAT. So if we wanted to do £28, 28 times 01 times 1.2 is £33. We're buying it for £33, selling it for about 42. That's probably not profitable, because it only leaves us like a £9 margin. Let's just see, guys. Yeah, not profitable at all. Boom, let's leave it. So what do? We don't stop there, guys. We keep on going. And this is exactly how you make £10,000 within one day. One sitting, guys. You see what I'm trying to say? You scan it, you look for the product. Yeah, I already know this was not going to be profitable, because we have to times this one by 1.2. If I do it in my head quickly, 83 times 2 is about £1.66. £1.66. Yeah, this is looking like, is that £10? I think it's £10. £10 for this product. We're selling it for £6. Yeah, that's not going to, £16. That's £6 to make profit. Don't forget, you have to pay Amazon fees, so that's not going to be profitable. But you keep on going, my people. You just keep on coming here. We're manual sourcing, guys, and we're using buybotgo, one of the best softwares. Furthermore, it is the best one, guys. Remember, link in the description. This one here is fire. And I know I'm going to drop this. Someone's going to see it and they're going to buy this product. But guys, that's all I'm about. I'm all about transparency, making sure you guys are eating as well. Because there's no point of me eating and making all the money. You all need to make money as well. This one looks like it's going to be profitable. Okay, £20.94 excluding VAT, but we need to calculate it including VAT as well. So I was going to do it at the top of my head. 10% of that is £2. £2.09 times 2 is £4.18. So that's including VAT is £24.18. I think I can't be £4.18. Nah, let's just check that. 20 times 90, no, 20.94 times 1.2 costs £25. £25 and 12 pence. That's how much it cost, including VAT. Yeah, we're selling it for 50. This one's definitely gonna be profitable. Let's see. Cool. Damn. Yuck. Cool. But we see, like, yeah, we're making bread there, people. But the question is it gonna be selling? You know what I'm saying? Because yeah, we can make money on it, but if you're selling 1 time or 2 times a month, yeah, a little £14 or £30, cool. But we want it to be selling loads of times, so we're making money. Yuck. Only 34. That's terrible. I'll be sorry with you. That is terrible. And then you're gonna have to share it with who will I be competing here? Let's just see. Since some of the FBA sellers, 1, 2, 3, 4. But I'll probably price it at this price, so I'll only be competing with him. 3, yeah, about 10 units I can buy. Me personally, I wouldn't, but guys, you've seen it. That's exactly how you can make £10,000 today, guys. Okay, if you have any questions, please feel free to drop a comment in the subscription. On top of that, you can message me on Instagram, message me on TikTok. I'm going to leave all my handles down there below. Guys, I'm here to help you. I'm here to make you learn, and I'm here to make you earn as well. If you have any messages, hit me up. Don't forget, if you want to use this software, guys, this software that makes me money, shows me how much I can make, shows me the sellers that are also there, shows me the buy box analysis. Like, this software is crazy. It's called buybotgo, guys.